9 out of 10 drivers are completely in the dark about powerful features and clever tricks hiding right in their own cars. But here's the crazy part. One of these secrets could literally save your life, while the rest could save you hundreds or even thousands in repairs and frustration. And the worst part? You're probably driving around with them every single day without a clue. Stick with me because in the next few minutes I'm revealing 15 car secrets most owners never discover. These aren't gimmicks, they're built-in advantages that can make your driving safer, more comfortable, and way less expensive. Don't skip ahead, the one you miss might be the one that pays off big time. Let's dive in. Secret number 15, hidden remote start. Ever wished you could start your engine from inside the house on brutal mornings or scorching afternoons, but figured remote start was only on fancy trims? Here, what the dealerships won't volunteer. That plain-looking key fob in your pocket probably already has the capability baked in from the factory. Try this, press the lock button 3 times quickly, then hold it down on the third press for about 5 seconds. In many vehicles, the engine roars to life from your driveway. No expensive add-on kits, no subscriptions, no dealer visit. Automakers engineer this into the system but often leave it dormant to upsell higher packages. The key fob already talks to your car's computer over secure radio signals that support remote start. The button sequence changes slightly by brand. Some use lock-unlock patterns with specific timing. Grab your owner's manual or do a quick model-specific search to confirm. Once you unlock it, you'll step into a perfectly preheated or cooled cabin every time. No more scraping ice or burning your hands on a hot wheel. It usually runs for 10-15 minutes, giving the climate system time to do its job right. Secret number 14, secret seat belt loop. That little fabric loop on your seat belt, most people treat it like decoration or ignore it completely. Big mistake. That adjustable keeper is a genuine lifesaver hiding in plain sight. It's called a seat belt height adjuster. Slide it up or down the pillar until the shoulder strap crosses the middle of your chest instead of digging into your neck or slipping off your shoulder. Crash studies show that a poorly positioned belt can lose up to 40% of its effectiveness. This simple loop locks solidly once set but releases easily when you need to readjust. Tall drivers stop getting choked, shorter drivers stop fighting straps that ride up. 5 seconds of adjustment optimizes the entire restraint system and can dramatically change outcomes in a collision. It's engineered to handle the same massive forces as the belt itself. Make this part of your driving ritual, your body will thank you on every trip. Secret number 13, trunk grocery hook. You come back from the store with bags flying around, crushed loaves, and rolling eggs. There's a better way built right into almost every trunk. Look for those small metal hooks or fabric loops along the trunk sides, floor, or walls. They're not random tie-downs, they're grocery bag anchors. Hook your plastic bag handles over them and your load stays put through corners, stops, and highway runs. Many cars have 4 to 6 of them strategically placed. Even budget models usually have at least 2. These hooks are surprisingly strong because they're tested for crash safety, some rated for 50 pounds each. Distributing weight evenly also helps your suspension and tire wear. Use them for gym bags and toolkits too. One quick habit eliminates that annoying sliding noise and keeps your groceries intact. Secret number 12, steering wheel tilt trick. If your back and shoulders ache after longer drives, the steering wheel position is often the real culprit, not just your seat. Almost every vehicle has a tilt lever under the column or on the side. Release it and raise or lower the wheel to match your height and arm length. Many modern cars also telescope in and out for perfect ergonomics. Proper positioning reduces strain, improves visibility of the gauges, and gives you quicker, more confident control in emergencies. Race drivers and truckers obsess over this because bad posture kills reaction time and creates fatigue. Spend 30 seconds getting it right and you'll feel the difference immediately. Your chiropractor might start wondering where you went. Secret number 11, hidden hill assist button. That stomach-dropping backward roll on a hill start? Never again. Most modern cars have hill assist or hill hold control, but it's often inactive by default. Look for a button showing a car on a slope, usually near the traction control. Activate it and the system automatically holds the brakes for a few seconds when you lift off the pedal on an incline. Gives you plenty of time to move smoothly to the gas without rolling. It uses the same sensors as your ABS and works in both directions, perfect for steep parking garages or San Francisco-style streets. Different brands call it Hill Start Assist, Hill Launch Assist, etc., but the technology is the same. Once it's on, Hill starts become effortless and embarrassment-free. Secret number 10, coffee powder odor hack. That stubborn mystery smell that no air freshener can kill, stop masking it and eliminate it instead. Take fresh coffee grounds, put them in an open container and leave it under a seat overnight. Coffee's porous structure absorbs odor molecules at the source instead of covering them up. It handles smoke, pet smells, spills, and gym funk amazingly well. One cup lasts 2 to 3 weeks. When it stops pulling its weight, just replace it for pennies. Detailers use this trick but charge big money. Your car won't smell like coffee once the ground's dry, just fresh and neutral. Science beats marketing every time. Secret number 9, rear seat recline feature. Backseat passengers on long trips always complain about stiff backs. Many vehicles built after 2012 have a solution most people never notice. Look for a small lever, strap, or button between the rear seat cushion and backrest. Pull or press it and the seatback reclines a few inches. That small 5 to 10 degree change makes a huge difference in comfort over 30+ minutes. Some higher trims even have power controls in the door panels. It's rarely advertised, but it's there on most sedans, SUVs, and minivans. Better posture also helps distribute forces more safely in a crash. Show this to your passengers and you'll instantly look like a car genius. If you're enjoying these, hit that like button. It helps me keep bringing you more practical tips. Secret number 8, hidden sunglasses holder. Tired of sunglasses sliding across the dash or disappearing into seat gaps? There's a perfect home staring you in the face. Look at the overhead console near the dome light. That flat panel or small door is a spring-loaded sunglasses holder. Press it gently and it drops down with a soft-lined compartment designed to grip your shades without scratches. Some hold 2 pairs. It's been standard since the late 90s for good reason. Overhead keeps them accessible and out of direct sun. No more hot lenses on your face or sticky residue from cup holders. The mechanism is built to last the life of the car. Secret number 7, secret steering wheel heater. Freezing your hands on an ice-cold wheel every winter morning? Many cars already have the hardware for a heated steering wheel even if it wasn't advertised. Search for a button with a steering wheel and heat waves, often near the climate controls. Press it and the wheel warms up in about 30 seconds. Manufacturers sometimes install the heating elements across more models than they activate to simplify production, then lock the feature behind packages. Cold hands slow your reactions significantly. A warm wheel improves comfort and safety. It usually shuts off automatically after 20-30 minutes. Once you experience it, you'll never want to drive gloved up again in winter. Secret number 6, extend key fob range trick. Frustrated clicking your fob endlessly in huge parking lots? You can dramatically boost the range using your own body. Hold the fob against your chin, temple, or jawbone while pressing the button. Your skull and its high water mineral content act as a natural antenna, often tripling the distance. It's real radio frequency science, not a myth. Works best on denser bone areas. You can also point it upward or touch it to a metal surface for even more reflection. No need for expensive boosters anymore. Secret number 5, clean AC with slime. Nasty AC smell that reminds you of old socks and mold? Skip the $150 professional service. Buy a pack of cleaning slime, that stretchy putty from the toy aisle, for about $5. Press it into the vents. It molds into every crevice, grabbing dust, hair, pet dander, and gunk. Pull it out and you'll see exactly what's been circulating. It improves airflow and cooling efficiency while killing the source of the odor. Reusable until it gets too dirty. Detailers love this hack but won't tell you how cheap it is. Secret number 4, check tire in the morning. Tire pressure readings all over the place. You're probably checking at the wrong time. Do it first thing in the morning before any driving. Overnight, tires cool to ambient temperature for accurate cold readings. Even a short drive heats them up and inflates the pressure falsely. Underinflated tires kill fuel economy, wear faster, and lengthen stopping distances. Morning checks catch slow leaks early. Your TPMS only warns you after pressure drops dangerously low. Make it a quick monthly habit with a good gauge in the glove box. Secret number 3, use sport mode for merging. Merging onto the highway and feeling that scary lag while traffic bears down, sport mode is your secret weapon. Hit sport mode right before the ramp. It sharpens throttle response and holds lower gears longer, keeping the engine ready to deliver instant power exactly when you need it. Merge confidently, then switch back to normal mode. This isn't about aggressive driving, it's about safety through better control. Highway merge accidents happen too often because cars feel sluggish at the wrong moment. Sport mode fixes that. Secret number 2, simple battery reset. Weird electrical gremlins, flashing lights, radio forgetting presets, finicky windows. Try this free fix before the shop. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect. This resets the car's control modules, clearing temporary glitches and letting everything relearn from scratch. Idle for a few minutes afterwards so systems can reinitialize. It won't fix mechanical issues, but it solves many electronic headaches. Mechanics charge for this, now you can do it in your driveway. Secret number 1, use dielectric grease on battery. Battery terminals keep corroding no matter how many times you clean them. Here's the permanent fix pros use but rarely share. After cleaning the terminals thoroughly, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to the posts and connectors before reconnecting. It creates a moisture barrier that stops the corrosion reaction between metals and battery gases without interfering with electrical contact. One $6 tube lasts years and prevents repeat problems. Use it on spark plug boots and other connectors too. Reliable starts every time, no more surprise jump starts or towing bills. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment with your favorite or the one that surprised you most. If this saved you time, money, or frustration, smash subscribe for more straight-to-the-point car knowledge that actually makes your life easier. Your car and your wallet will thank you. There are plenty more mechanic gate-kept secrets that can save you serious cash. Check out the next video and keep driving smarter.